Picture this, you're literally minutes away from some of the best beaches in Santa Monica. Restaurants, cafes, shops, you name it, we have it covered. I can't wait to show you guys inside. This stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the heart of Santa Monica offers an open floor plan and an expansive outdoor living area. This extraordinary kitchen is adorned with modern stainless steel appliances, and the condo has its own in-unit laundry area as well. Beautiful pool and spa area sets the stage for unforgettable gatherings, and grab your boards anytime and play a round of paddleboard. Thank you so much for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for current listings and future listings. Thank you so much.